Celebration of the 4th National Nutrition Month is underway in Karbi Anglong district of Assam. Like every year, the celebration began on 1st September and will continue till September 30. The celebration is an initiative of the Ministry of Women and Children Development, Government of India, with an aim to create awareness among women about importance of nutrition. Like the rest of the nations, the District Program Management Unit of Poshan Abhiyan, Karbi Anglong District is also celebrating the Poshan Ma from 1st September to 30th September as per the instruction given by the Director of the State Project Management Unit, Poshan Abhiyan, Assam Biwash Modi. Here, the program is being supervised by KACM in charge of Social Welfare Department, Kache Rongpipi, KAC Secretary Richard Rongpi, District Social Welfare Officer Helen Terangpi, and District Coordinator of National Nutrition Mission, Karbi Anglong District Robinson Crew. While interacting with the DCNNM, Karbi Anglong District Robinson Crew, he stated that National Nutrition Mission aims to eradicate malnutrition problem in India, including Karbi Anglong District of Assam through Jan Andolan. He added that during this 4th National Nutrition Month, many activities are being carried out at district level, block level, sector or village or Anganwadi center level under every ICDS project in East Karbi Anglong district of Assam. All block Poshan team, CDPOs, supervisors, Anganwadi workers and helpers are actively working in convergence manner with NHM, UNICEF, MSK team, etc. as part of the celebration of Poshan Ma 2021. Some of the activities during the month include the followings: recipe competition cum food demonstration and distribution to local community, especially to children, pregnant women, lactating mother at block level, center level are being carried out. Plantation drive for promotion of kitchen garden cum Nutri Garden at all Anganwadi centers, and yoga and Ayush practices for better nutrition are also being conducted. Drawing competition, quiz competition on nutrition to children, pregnant women, lactating mother are also being organized at block level. Meanwhile, identification of severely acute malnourished children in the district will be conducted at the 4th week of September at community level. Awareness drive on local food and better nutrition at community level is also part of the celebration. Robinson Crew, along with the District Social Welfare Officer Helen Terangpi, on Thursday paid a visit to all ICDS projects under Karbi Anglong, attending at maximum conducting activities on the occasion of celebrating of Poshan Ma 2021. The district coordinator urged all ICDS Poshan Abhiyan field functionaries to give proper service to the community by providing better nutrition. He also requested all CDPOs, supervisors, and block Poshan team to have a proper and good coordination in working to make the mission a great successful one and bring a laurel to the district and the state. News Report, Karbi Anglong Live.